Whether the family is picnicking at the park, in the company of desert dunes, or by the shore, you cannot go without a hearty barbecue dinner straight from the grill. These are not your conventional bulky stations, but portable mini grills that can easily fit inside the boot of your car everywhere you go. In this video, I tell you what you need to consider to make the best choice. Then, building on that, we'll show you 5 best portable grills for barbecues. That way, you can make sure you're getting your money's worth. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1. Weber Smoky Joe Premium, Black, 14 inches. If you prefer the smoky flavor of barbecued meat and vegetables, then bring home Weber's Smoky Joe Premium Charcoal Grill. The 14 inches round portable grill prepares 6 burgers at once, most suitable for a small family, though it performs just as well in batches. Weighing under 5 kgs, the metal grill is easy to assemble and carry around, with a smart design that keeps the lid from touching the ground. Both the lid and bowl are porcelain enameled, which helps the grill retain heat for longer and promote longer use. Enjoy smoked cuts anywhere, but make sure to bring along a charcoal chimney starter. Reviewers say they've grilled chicken tikka, steaks, and other tasty treats by the beach and on campsites with success. Number 2. Char-Broil Grill Twogo X200 Portable True Infrared Liquid Propane Gas Grill. A more rugged option is this Char-Broil Grill Twogo that runs on propane gas, built for the road and uneven terrain. This portable unit balances on a high-impact frame with sturdy legs and doesn't require any assembly. The firebox is made of cast aluminum, and while the attached lid doesn't come off, it's always within reach for cover and comes with a temperature gauge on the top. The 200 square inches of cooking area grills up to 8 burger patties. All you have to do to get the fire going is to push the ignition button, but do note it gets hot very quickly, say reviews. Make sure to reset the gas regulator with a wrench tool to control the heat. They also note that the grill doesn't flare up. Number 3. Kenlook Buddy Grill, 22.5 centimeters. Kenlook's suitcase grill is a one-hand carry-on, perfect for solo or couples outing. Coming in a hammer-tone gloss blue, the mini unit not only makes your favorite barbecue treats but also warms your coffee and other packed meals. It opens up like a briefcase and supports a stainless steel grid over a detachable charcoal grate, with just enough space for a couple of skewers and sausages to go on top. This grill is so compact that it slips right into a backpack. Reviewers say setup is very easy and so is the cleanup. Number 4. Best Versatile Grill. Kamado Bono Picnic Barbecue Grill, Black. This domed charcoal grill offers ample barbecue space for a small family cookout, on the terrace or at picnics. It's a 3-in-1 wonder. The unit grills, smokes, and bakes. The 26 centimeters cooking grate grills skewers, steaks, burgers, and chicken wings under 20 minutes on direct heat. Using a deflector or a secondary rack, you can char other meat cuts on indirect heat, too. Its smoker box function adds complex flavors to, say, a rack of ribs. Don't be afraid to bake a pizza or a pie inside the Kamado Bono, either. The lid has a temperature gauge to help you keep an eye on the food inside. Do note that despite its compact size, the ceramic grill is quite heavy at 25 kgs. Number 5. Best Gas Grill with Stand. Cuisinart Propane Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill with Versastand, Red. Another briefcase-style grill. The Cuisinart Portable Gas Grill uses propane to cook your food, so while your burgers may lack the smoky flavor, your post-barbecue cleanup will be quick and hassle-free. A 150 square inch porcelain enameled cooking grate sits inside, which can cook for up to 6 people at once. Stretch out its legs for a freestanding grill, letting you cook at a comfortable height wherever. You can control the temperature easily using the central knob to suit your degree of doneness. Reviews say the unit works brilliantly for tailgating and the legs collapse neatly into the trunk. There is a small grease-catching tray for minimizing mess. Note buyers, selecting the best item from a group of choices is a difficult job. You can easily purchase these products and say bye to all your worries. If you need more information and if you know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.